Where's the bird? Ah, God, the bird got out. Jimmy, get the bird! He's too quick. We can't catch him. Everybody, grow wings, fly. Get the bird, now. Jimmy, did you get the bird? Gotta get the bird. Come on, push. Spread your wings. Come on. He's too fast. We gotta catch him. Come on. He's too fast. We gotta catch him. Next time we gotta get the bird. Right. You see my bird? You gotta be fast. You gotta catch him. You can't. Show him Jimmy. We gotta get the bird. Alright guys, so what we learned yesterday about Jimmy's bird. Anybody got anything?
Yeah, I think it's an ostrich, okay?
So how long have you known this?
Everybody knows it's an ostrich.
So when you like a really fast person to catch the bird, because the wings don't really matter, so who's the fastest person? Brad, what was your 40 time in college?
I rode the bench, but I was on the team.
Alright, so Brad's the fastest man we have on our team. So, alright, we need Brad. You gotta get him. You gotta go get him now. You gotta catch him.
How about I just rode the bench. I don't even know if I could get up. I don't even.
Brad, no excuses. We gotta get him. Okay, no excuses. Gotta play like a champion. Okay, gotta be fast. Gotta catch him. Gotta catch him. Okay, gotta go.
I don't know if I can do it. Like, Charlie, get him, Charlie. I got a grenade. We'll just blow him up, put him back together, and give him to Jimmy.
Hey guys, I just wanted to say something. I was back here. Who the fuck's Jimmy? Who the fuck's Jimmy? Cause Frankie's the one who's missing the bird.
Shit, he's right. Oh, but okay, scatter now. Everybody, call the cops. No, don't. Bad news, guys. Gerald took that bomb and he went and blew up a bird. Thought it was Jimmy's. It was an ostrich, but it was Frankie's. Hurry, plans fast. Cops, they're coming.
I don't know. I thought we still were trying to find Jimmy's bird.
It turns out it was Frankie's bird because Dallas told us in the back seat, remember?
Yeah, man, I told you it was Frankie's, not Jimmy.
Well, I tried to fucking tackle the goddamn thing anyway so we could eat it. What the fuck are we gonna do?
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna steal this guy's car next to me. It's an Acura. It's got all-wheel drive. It's got multiple seats. We can put the bird in there, put a bit of pieces we can take down to the zoo, tape it together, and give it back and tell the guy that someone else stole. Okay, let's go. What do you think about it?
I think it's a good idea, but the cops are coming.
Ah, crap. Well, we're not. Brad, how fast can you run? Tackle the cop car. Tell them that the ostrich went home. Dallas, what do you got for us back there?
Well, I got a pipe bomb. Well, I can do that. Well, we don't do that.
Fucking, we're all going down. Throw the pipe bomb out the window. Cops are gonna go.
Who's got that bomb? Who's got it? We gotta go. Gotta go. There.
I don't know. Where's Brad? My 40 times stuck. I don't know what's going on.
I think I dropped it back there. Oh, shit. Scatter. We're going on the ground. Fucking bird. I think that's the bird up there. Oh, my God. Yeah, I think it's over there. Let's find that construction site. We gotta go. I think it's back over there. I don't know. We're gonna... He's hiding behind that motorcycle.
Did you just hear that radio turn on?
I guess its head popping in and out.
Yeah, but it's trying to get into hold of us.
Shit. This bird's pissed. Apparently, we didn't get rid of it.
Right onto Cherokee Drive.
Charlie, I think it's following us.
Get out of there, man.
I don't know how.
Well, get
I
out.
think it can hear the GPS.
That's impossible.
In the car.
You need to lose
it's
him, though.
following us. It's coming around the corner.
No,
Quarter mile.
Oh
Turn
my
left onto
God!
West-
Get out of there,
One
man.
of these houses, because I gotta drop out this order, and they're gonna see a frickin'
Well, we can't get out of a dead body.
ostrich just drop kick me in the back of my head.
Charlie, get in there.
He's gonna catch me.
He's gonna catch you, man. You're way too late for it. I know. I pray for you. You're gonna die a virgin, man. No fun.
Man, I'm glad that day's over. Hey, Brad, give me one of those sweet tarts, dude. It was really helped me all day, kind of keep me calm. What's wrong, man? Just give me one of them, please. It's just gonna really help me out. That was acid, bro.
What are you saying?
Yeah, it was my stash. I forgot to tell you.
So this entire time, I was tripping on acid all day long, looking for an ostrich.
Well, actually, I think Mom said that Jenny lost her cat, but we were rolling balls so hard that we thought it was an ostrich.
I can't look at you, man. I don't even know. The cops were chasing us all. I bet some random guy named Charlie who blew up a bird. Oh my God.